What's up everyone, Ian here from Mega Mobile USA, and right now I want to show you a quick unboxing of the ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. You can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description for you, and if you'd be so kind as to like the video and subscribe to my channel and drop a comment below, I can show you how to get the best price. I'll beat anyone out there, no, hands down. Now this phone is sick. That's basically it's so simple word I can provide to you. It's got a 6.67 inch 90 hertz display, a 64 megapixel flip camera, which I'll show you. It comes in 256 gigs with 8 gigs of RAM, a 5000 milliamp hour battery, and the latest Snapdragon 865 processor. Now if you pick this up from me, this is exactly what you're going to get. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you. Right here you got a couple inserts. Let's check this out. SIM eject tool, 2 cases, which is awesome. Looks like some standard book stuff here. This one is a clear case, just a standard nothing. And this one is a harder shell, like a black one. Go ahead and open the side piece here. You got USB-C to C, and you have the international charger. Now I always provide an adapter for USA, so all you do is go like this. It fits right into the wall here, no problems at all. So don't even worry about that. Put this back in the box. And then let's check out the phone, because that's all anyone really cares about. All right, power it on. This phone is nasty. It's got this really cool sort of gradient look on the back. And you can see here it says flip camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and breeze through all the setup on this phone and show you the flip camera, because I know that's all anyone wants to see anyways. So we got the welcome. Let's go. Next. I'm gonna skip through all this stuff. More, accept. Of course, it's gonna take its sweet time here. Hopefully we can breeze through this quickly. While it's doing that though, I can show you as compared to the iPhone, it's about the same width, it feels like, and the Zenfone is definitely taller. So let's see here. Flip camera brings you new experience. You can try the flip function. Let's flip preview. Okay, that's amazing. You see that? That's amazing. All right, let me skip all this and see if I can get you to the home screen here. Skip, done. So here it is. You can see the Google Play's installed. This is the global version. It's going to get all the updates. It's not flashed, anything like that. Let me see if I can do the flip camera real quick. Slide, long press. Okay, whatever. So it looks like if I do this, nope, that's not what I want. But we're going to do this. We flip it, and there's me. That's awesome. That's just the coolest thing ever. So there it is, guys. It's the ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. You can pick it up from my store. And if you have any comments, drop them below. And thanks again for watching.